I just discovered a YouTube channel that's making over $100,000 per month with simple horror videos created with AI. So I thought, can you actually make money with these kind of videos, and went on the search. I looked into many YouTube videos explaining me how to create these videos. Most of them were really bad, so in this video I will explain exactly how to create these horror videos that make millions of views on YouTube. Different than dropshipping or affiliate marketing, creating a YouTube channel still can make you huge money in the first month. And that's why I am here. I will show you a way to create these videos without any work, but you have to pay for it. And a free way, but you have to put in more work. So watch this video until the end to learn how to actually create a YouTube channel that could make you some money, so you are not just one of many accounts that make a couple hundred views. You have to be different and not just one of the many horror accounts out there. Okay, let's go to the juicy part. Let's create our first YouTube account from the ground. First, open YouTube. Click on your channel icon and select View All Channels. Then click on the Create a Channel button. Next, open ChatGPT and ask for some names that could be used as horror YouTube accounts. ChatGPT will find some great names for you, so try to take something unique. These are great, so pick something that would catch the attention and include words that get searched on YouTube. Now go back into YouTube, paste the channel name in the name box and set a channel handle that you like, and just like that, you've created a YouTube channel. Now let's go and create a YouTube logo for your channel. Don't overthink this, let's just go to ChatGPT again. Ask it to give you a prompt that would be a great YouTube thumbnail for a horror channel. With a fitting prompt, go to Leonardo AI. Head to Leonardo AI, paste it into the prompt box, and then click Generate. Boom, you have your logo for your channel. Now download the logo that you like, head over to YouTube Studio and upload it as your channel logo. And boom, you have your first YouTube channel. So let's create our first video. Like I said, there are two different strategies. For the easy way, let's head to InVideo AI. I saw that videos with multiple horror stories in one video perform the best. So I went to InVideo and put in exactly that. Create a horror YouTube video about 3 horror stories that is engaging. Now you can select between stock video footage or AI generated videos. For this I chose stock footage and just a few minutes, but you can select whatever you want. So after a few minutes you will have a full video with stock footage, a script, subtitles, voiceover, and you don't have to do anything yourself. But if you want actual AI content using this tool, you will have to pay some money for it. But you can get amazing AI generated content like this video using this InVideo. So either you create a video in a few minutes or create them yourself for free. To create a video for completely free, we will create everything on our own, from script to voiceover and even the video. For that, let's go back to YouTube, go on a video that you really enjoy and copy the link. We'll use a tool called Tactic. Just paste the video link in here and get a video script in just a few seconds. We will not just use this, we will create our own script using ChatGPT. Put in the script from the video into here and describe what you want. We do not want the same script again. We just tell it to create a script in a similar style. This is just an example. You can even make scripts longer, shorter, or just let ChatGPT create entirely new scripts for you. Trust me, with an example, you will never run out of video ideas. They don't even have to be about real events. Next thing you have to do is to create the voiceover. The tool we'll use for the voiceover is called 11 Labs. Once you are here, just put your script you created in here. Now go to the voices and choose one that fits to the horror theme of your video. Just click through some of the voices until you find something that you like. You can even move the sliders and change how fast the voice is or how he pronounces the words. Then click Generate and boom, we have our perfect script. Next step is to create the visuals for our video. Open ChatGPT again and ask it to give you image prompts that fit to the script we just created. Also make sure to tell it to generate more than 20 prompts so that the images will cover the full video. Now that ChatGPT gave us some image prompts for our video, to create the images, we'll use Leonardo AI. So head over and open the image creation tool, set the image dimensions to 16 by 9 and choose a style that you like. For me, it will be cinematic. Now, copy the first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box in Leonardo A. I then click generate and boom, we've generated our first images and they are perfect. Let's do that for every prompt that you created and you will have the perfect images for every scene in your script. The images from Leonardo AI are really great, but you can also test out Ideogram and see if you like the images created here better. This AI can also create some amazing images for you. Now, download one image per prompt that you like, and let's move on to the next step. Transforming those images into videos to make your video more engaging. For that, go to any image to video transformation platform that is free. Let's start at Runway ML. Upload any of your images here and click on generate. After a few seconds, you will get a short video that you can use in your YouTube video. You also use Luma Labs in the same way, or Vdo AI, to create AI videos out of your images for completely free. Okay, last, let's combine everything we just did by using CapCut. Start by importing all the videos and the voiceover into the editor. Once everything is ready, drag the voiceover down into the editing bar. Next, put the videos over the script when it fits to the script, making sure they're in the correct order to match the script. I will show you with a few videos, just for an example. After that, I'll add the rest so you don't get confused. Now, make sure to cut the images so they align perfectly with the voiceover. To do this, simply listen to the voiceover and as it plays, trim the images so the next one starts at the right moment. Combine every video that you created and even images into a longer video. Now, on the right side, you'll find the effect settings menu. Here you can change the settings like sharpen, vignette, or contrast. This will make the visuals much more appealing to watch and darker for a horror video. It already looks great, but let's make it even better. To do that, you can add film effects to all of your images. Just click on the effects and choose something like this. This will give your video the last touch. To make the video even cleaner, you can add transitions. Open the transitions menu and choose something like this to make the transitions a bit smoother. Next, let's add some captions. Go to the text menu and click on captions. Simply select the language you want, click generate, and watch as the captions are created for your video. Once you have the subtitles, you can choose a font that you like. You can also choose an effect to make you subtitles look even better with the menu on the right. I would probably use something in black or red to fit the mood of the video. We're missing the key element, the background music. You can either use one of the sounds that is given to you by CapCut, or go and download a background music on YouTube or a music platform online with copyright-free music. Now, lower the background music volume so the voice can be heard. And that's it. You have your first video. Click on export and select the quality you want to export in, like 4K or 2K is enough. Now what? Let's upload our first ever YouTube video together. Let's import the video into YouTube. While it's processing, let's create a SEO optimized video title by looking at other YouTube account with millions of views. Then use the description to help your video get much more views. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to create a description for the YouTube video that will raise the views. Just copy it. And before pasting, write yourself what the video is about, and then paste in the description. This will help your video rank higher and attract more viewers. Now, if you want to create a perfect thumbnail, I would go to Canva. Search for YouTube thumbnail and look for other horror YouTube thumbnail. Then remove everything you don't need and put in an image that you want from your video. The font from the text is already really good, so type something really engaging on the thumbnail. Something like the 3 scariest real horror stories. Then you can also include something like a scary ghost to make the thumbnail perfect. And that's it. You can upload your first video. I would first upload in private to let YouTube get ready for 4K resolution and then publish your first video. And that is sit back and see how your first video gets views. Create videos like this multiple times per week and start growing your account to make your first money. This could take a few weeks, but don't give up. You will not regret it. See you next time, guys.